In this email, I'm going to show you how you could send an unlimited number of bulk marketing emails for what? Not one extra penny, okay? Basically, every email you send is free bulk email. And the way it works is like Mr. Wash. We get our car washed at Mr. Wash, and we pay a monthly fee to Mr. Wash. And for that, we could bring our car in 10 times a day, every day, and they will wash our car without any extra charge. So to me, every time we go to Mr. Wash, it's like free because we already paid a monthly thing, so we can use it as much as we want. And that's how our email services work here at CalMessage. What we do is we work with people that send lots of emails. We will send millions and millions and millions and millions and millions of emails for you without charging you an extra penny. Just a low flat fee per month, unlimited emails, unlimited lists, no upcharges. Not only that, but we'll even do a concierge. We'll help you. We'll load it on our system. We'll do it all for you. It's just give us a Google Doc. So that's how you get free bulk email. Now you're not going to just, what did you think? I'm going to say hijack someone's servers and send free email on there. I don't do that. That's not what we would ever do. We want to keep everything legal and above board and be working with you for a long time. So the hard part is that you have to have really, really good deliverability. So I showed you this email, last video I made, where we had we sent 39,000 emails, tiny amount bounced, all the rest of them got delivered. We don't know if they got in the inbox in the important tab or the bulk tab. We can't tell, but I will tell you that pretty much they got into the inbox, and I know that they did because, we have a bunch of people that are real people that open emails, and we get, look how many people clicked. So from this email, we got how many people clicked. Let's see if we can see that from here. Sorry for making you dizzy here. 948 clicks. So if we get 2% conversion rate, it's not unusual. That'd be 20 sales. It's not so bad. Or maybe if we charge $100, that's $2,000 we got for sending this email. That's not so bad, right? You wouldn't mind sending an email and making $2,000. We can do that all the time, every day, many times a day, and we do, because email is essentially free. Once you cover your basic costs, you can send as many as you want. There's not one penny more. It's free bulk email, legitimately and completely. We're not charging you extra. You can have millions of people on your list. So as long as it's a legit list that you obtain through legit methods, we'd love to work with you as many emails you want to send. We'll help you send 10 times a day if that's what you want. In fact, we have some lists where we send 5 or 6 times a day, and people are quite happy. This is a list like it, actually. This is one of many emails that were sent, about 5 or 6 per day per subscriber. So you don't have to be limited as to how often you email people if you're mailing them something that's very interesting, and you can make you can make a ton of money. Okay. All right. So that's how you send free bulk emails.